Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. This is what happens when a lightning hits beach sand. Banging your head against a wall for 1 hour burns 150 calories. Pepsi got its name from the ingredient pepsin, which is said to aid in digestion. This is how hard you need to punch to destroy Earth. Earth's ocean contains about $771 trillion worth of gold. Scientists think that chickens are the closest living relative of the Tyrannosaurus. Mosquitoes prefer people with type O blood. People are more likely to cry at night because lack of sleep makes emotions hard to control. A day on Pluto lasts 153.6 hours long. New studies suggest less than 3% of Earth's land remains ecologically intact. 72% of people get their best creative ideas in the shower. Coca-Cola named world's worst polluter for third straight year. Your bones are composed of 31% water. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 cm taller during the summer. This giant ORB is the world's first floating Apple store on this planet. In zero gravity, a candle's flame appears round and blue. You can tell the temperature by counting a cricket's chirp. Ducklings were used for medical therapy back in 1950s. If you drink water in the morning, you will feel happier, sharper, and more energetic throughout the day. It is a common prank among Japanese kids to stick fingers into other people's butt when they are not looking. It is called kancho. The human mind only maintains complete trust once on each person. Once broken, it's never the same. Elephants are excellent swimmers, can swim for 6 hours non-stop. Scientists have constructed a bionic eye which can give sight to blind people. In 1973, China proposed to give the US 10 million Chinese women to boost population. Trees at southernmost part of New Zealand grow sideways because they are constantly swept by Antarctic winds. If California were its own country, it would be the 5th richest country in the world. People with blue eyes tend to have the highest alcohol tolerance. Your eyes can change colors depending on your emotions. Coffee has been found to reverse liver damage caused by alcohol. There are mini cows you can purchase as pets. When drunk, people talk 75% of what they say is true. This is the end of the Great Wall of China. The world consumes more than 2.25 billion cups of coffee every day. Homotherium is an extinct saber-toothed tiger that became extinct 30 years ago. In China, tech companies are hiring programming cheerleaders, girls that cheer up the programmers as they work. Your brain uses about 20% of all the oxygen and blood in your body. Snakes can't close their eyes, so they must sleep with their eyes open. If the sky suddenly turns unusually dark or even green, that could be a sign of a tornado. France, Italy and Chile have formally recognized the existence of the UFOs. Dimples are actually caused by a facial muscle called the zygomaticus major being abnormally short. Japan has a minister of loneliness to tackle suicide rates. There is not a single river in Saudi Arabia. New South Korean TV shows uses virtual reality to reunite people with loved ones who have passed away. Lightning strike kills more than 300 reindeers in Norway. Your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. More than 80% of the emails sent daily are spams. Thanks for watching.